Hey guys, and welcome back to our live reaction for Slime episode 13. I'm Excrete, that's Azelvan and Health.
Hello.
No.
Alright, let's begin in 3, 2, 1, go.
Right.
Nope. Still
Attack
same
on the
opening.
orcs.
What?
And yeah, still not the new opening.
Yeah, no new opening. Well, it's not only Attack of the Orcs, it's the stupid lizard is also in command.
God damn it.
Yeah, in command of the lizard army.
Isn't he already losing?
Kinda?
Yeah. They're kind of like, oh shit, this is a bad idea.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, apparently meeting an enemy with like superior troops on the field isn't really a good
Yeah.
idea.
No,
Both
that
in
wasn't the problem.
quantity
The problem
and
was
quality.
the orcs eating the corpses of the other orcs.
And then becoming even stronger, yeah.
Yeah.
That counts as a superior troop, I guess.
Yeah.
I guess.
Technically.
They just leave it to all this ogre.
Well, like
And Rimuru, but
well, yeah, Rimuru probably.
you use AoE attack like those thunder thingy.
Maybe.
Or just the flame you got.
Maybe. Oh yeah, the Ifrit. That could work.
Or just send Gupta.
Yeah, Gupta can slay 1,000 orcs, maybe. Hmm. They really doesn't look look very strong.
Yeah.
Well, the wolves are supposed to be pretty strong. So.
Well, yeah, the wolves, but I mean the goblin riding the wolves.
Not
Gobita
menacing
especially.
at all.
Yeah. Well, no, there's one who looks even weaker than Gupta, even though Gupta is strong. Oh, it's just the female lizard. Hmm. Okay, there are actual. You see that goblin on the leftmost goblin on the back?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
So can you dispose of the corpse so they?
Mm-hmm.
Potion, medicine. Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Sticky white liquid coming from Rick's body.
Well, sticky blue liquid. So
Please
that's
don't
something.
make this wrong.
Have you never drank any healing potion?
Not as potent as that one, actually.
Hmm. The father, sure. The lizardman, sure.
But the
Last
lizard
one.
can die.
The last one. Oh, that failed. Oh yeah, she was in the cell, supposedly. Yeah. Powerful, imagine. Jesus, look at those.
Those just get bigger.
I think so, yeah.
What potential?
Um, please don't promise anything to people without. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm. Well, yeah. Okay.
I'm starting to question, do you have to be part of royalty to grow hair as a lizard man?
Oh yeah, only the chieftain and her have hair, right?
Only the chieftain, her, and I think Gabriel has a bit.
Oh yeah. I think that's how they decide who leads the lizard man. Oh, you have hair? Oh. You might want to burn the orcs first. You don't want to risk making the other orcs stronger if they found the bodies.
Why would you burn it then? Let's just tell the enemy where the bacons are.
That's true.
Regular orc, probably, but
These orcs, not so much.
Okay. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, this is what happened last week,
Yep.
right? Well, you're dead.
yeah,
You
that's
are
what
dead.
happens. Wow.
Ooh.
Hmm.
Ooh.
Yep.
That's like fighting orc zombies. Huh?
They're basically
Uh-oh.
zombies that have the ability.
How
Are they
did this
behind
happen?
you?
How do you not see that you're being surrounded by orcs? Are you that dumb? Yes, the answer is yes.
Yeah, what happened with tactics?
Oh. What? They just ate one.
So they're like the slivers from Magic the Gathering, then?
Like, do they share their evolutions? Really?
Wow, that would
If
be
yes,
very
then
OP.
yeah, that's basically stronger than Rimuru.
Wow.
Yeah, because it's command an entire army.
You know, even on this shit situation like this, he's not like abandon the goblins and make a break for it.
Yeah, well, at least he's not that bad, I guess.
When it comes to
He's
fighting,
still dumb.
yeah. It is now 300.
No, that's. Oof.
Is that supposed to be the Orc Lord? I should know.
Oh yeah, there you go.
That's a different kind of orc lord. Like,
Is it like Orc Champion or something?
Oh, that is not even the Lord.
General.
just in general.
Ooh.
The power level difference
Someone lend him a scouter.
is over.
Over 9,000 pounds of pork. I don't know.
I'd burn that to make bacon.
Yeah.
Right, we die in bacon.
Oh yeah, there's this thing.
See, kids, this is why when you see a clown outside of a circus, you run fuck away.
That's true, yeah. Oh?
Oh, the riot?
Hmm.
Mm,
Hmm.
That's weird. You're a dryad. Shouldn't you sound like earth spirits?
wow. Oh.
Oh, that.
That's
Oh.
effective, I guess. Wait, no blood.
Just run. Okay. Can't the thing just shoot the wind blades again? It's like.
Maybe it made some cooldown.
Hmm.
Probably, yeah.
She just stood there and say, "Oh, they went away. That's not the desirable outcome. I'm not going to try to like pursue them or anything. I'll just stand
Depends
here."
though if they're teleporting.
I guess. But if they're teleporting, they don't really need the smoke.
Or just different, yeah. I don't know.
Oh, oh,
Oh.
oh.
Ah, Ogi attack.
Well, that looks quite strong,
Is
but
that like
Nope.
his power or the Vortex Spear power?
Probably the spear.
yeah, this
Ooh.
sounds bad. Sounds bad and dark and evil.
I'd run away if
and...
I were you.
Yeah. That thing stays.
Okay, so that basically has like a 3 Cerberus heads trying to
Yeah.
eat people on top of the general attacking you.
Yeah. Wow.
That's what I call bullshit in PvP.
Sure.
Yeah, but if you die, then the rest of your troops is done for.
Well, this is the only probably chance, maybe.
Yeah, while the other
If this
orcs
is the
are
Orc Lord, then sure, but this isn't, so...
That's true.
probably
It's just
just
an
doing
orc
what you
general.
can.
If anything, this ruins your army's morale.
Well, that's true.
Oh,
But at least this way,
Hey.
he can buy some time.
yeah, in a way, I think.
Yeah,
Nope.
so close.
Yeah, it's
Oh.
quite close.
Well.
In most fantasy RPGs, would the orcs be stronger or like same level as lizardmen? Normal ones.
Pretty much the same strength, I think.
Okay.
Rimuru?
Oh.
Hey!
Gopta. Oh my
Gopta!
god.
I'd
The
recognize
strongest
that
goblin.
The
shape of
true
head
leader
everywhere.
of that village.
Even Goblin Slayer is afraid.
Well.
Just jumping? Oh.
Oh.
Look behind you.
Who? Wow.
Alright.
Well.
Alright.
Who brought napalms to the fight?
Those are some AoEs.
Mm-hmm.
These people are fighting with bows and arrows, and they're using napalm.
Yeah, it's not going to be that easy.
They suddenly increase in numbers.
Mm. Listen to Gopta.
Yeah, who
What
is
skill is that?
Rimurus? No?
It looks like Black Flames,
Looks like
but I don't know if
Rimurus,
that's Rimuru
but
or
which
not.
skill?
Oh nope, it's them.
But there are several explosions there. I don't think any of them are.
Oh, give her back her morning star.
Oh, come on. Get over it.
Oh. Yeah, he's the one who uses the spell.
He used to have fire spells before this, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ooh, that's a big ass explosion.
Yeah, we don't even need Rimuru for this.
Uh-huh. Mm.
Oh.
Mm.
Thunder?
She
Thunderbolt?
does
Maybe
have Black Thunder, right?
you should probably move Rimuru.
Oh, Storm. Yeah, you might get.
Yeah, you should probably move.
Oh.
Be careful not to hit the lizard man, though. Like,
Yeah, see, I don't even think Rimuru needs to even lift a finger for this.
yeah.
Like the squad is already OP now.
Black Storm?
Death Storm or whatever.
The
And
combi
the
was
Thunder.
Black Storm.
There you
Oh,
go.
okay. That's weird.
Black Thunder Storm or something.
Rip.
In the text?
In the kanji.
Oh boy.
Oh, yeah, okay.
He evolved again.
But did he just evolve again?
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's got 2 horns now.
Mm-hmm. Who are you
They're
talking
not
to?
here to listen anymore.
Yeah, who are you talking to again? I think the general's dead.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, look. Yep. Wow.
Okay, I believe whoever made this just played like Dynasty Warriors yesterday.
That's basically it.
Well, you're all dead.
Just one swing. Yep.
See, orcs, if only you knew fear, you'd be like, it's Lubu.
Mm-hmm.
There won't be any orcs by the end of this.
Yeah. Well, look at the good thing though. Like they get to eat bacon, a lot of bacon.
Careful of cholesterol after this.
Yeah.
Whoa, what?
You know what? All of the ogres get some action, but not the last one.
Well,
The last one, who looked much stronger before he evolved into just a middle-aged man.
Well, that one didn't come along, I think. Also,
He's
the
just working as a
priestess
blacksmith.
didn't come along.
Oh yeah, that's true.
What's her name again? I can't
the
remember.
pink-haired one. Where is he? Well, I think she's not the combat
Well, yeah.
type.
I hope the lizardman comes along later. I like the reaction faces.
And slash and bacon.
I would want to ask how the string get through metal armor though, but sure.
No, it's always in people's anime characters' powers to turn metal into tofu.
Yeah, that's true.
A slime happened.
Mm-hmm. It already failed, I think. Oh, who?
Castlevania? It looked
Oh, there
similar.
we go. Oh, there we go.
Oh.
Is it a Dracula? It looks like a Dracula.
Yeah, he looks like Dracula. Hmm? Someone? Is that the Lord? Oh, there you go.
Shouldn't you be in the front lines if you want to eat something?
Oh,
See you next
Rimuru
week.
Sama is already. You're already dead.
This reminds me of the last episode of Goblin Slayer, which is basically, hey, here's the Goblin Lord, and here's the main character going to kill the Goblin Lord. And this one,
this is
here's
Orc
the main,
Lord.
yeah, and then here's the main character going to kill the Orc Lord.
Yeah, oh my god, I love how these two shows are like parallel of each other.
Yeah.
Just opposite of who's your allies.
Yeah, like in Goblin Slayer, kill the goblins. In this, protect the goblins.
Well, and this one, the
It
Goblin
didn't start
attacks
with
people.
protecting goblins, I guess.
Yeah.
It's like they intentionally made it that way.
Hmm.
Still haven't seen this one.
Yeah, she looks like a funny character. Maybe.
Which one?
The girl, the twin tail hair.
With
Twin
flopping
tail.
hair.
Yeah.
She'll show up in a bit. 2-3 episodes of the station.
The one who devours all. I'm assuming. I don't know.
Are you talking about Rimuru?
Yeah, are you talking about Rimuru or the Orc Lord? Because Rimuru kind of eat a lot of stuff too.
Well, they both fit the description, so probably
maybe that's
the point
what
of the
meant.
title.
Yeah, that's the point. It's both of them. Okay. Well, all right then. That was Slime, episode 13. Thank you for watching, and see you all next time. Bye.